The largest snowflake ever recorded was a staggering 15 inches wide, falling like a frozen miracle from the sky. Imagine witnessing such an enormous, delicate masterpiece drifting down, each intricate pattern glistening in the winter sun. It happened in Fort Keogh, Montana, in 1887, leaving onlookers mesmerized by this extraordinary phenomenon. This colossal snowflake redefines our understanding of nature's wonders, making us rethink the humble snowflake's potential. Who knew that something so small and fleeting could manifest in such an awe-inspiring form, turning a simple snowfall into a historic event?